Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and I thought today I would do a birthday Amazon haul unboxing for you. I've never done an Amazon unboxing before, but I just thought it'd be kind of fun to do it. There are, I think, 4 items in here that are not birthday related, but they are for my birds. So I thought I would go ahead and show those as well. Everything that's in here I got with an Amazon gift card that was for my birthday, and except the bird items, which I paid for on my own. So I thought, you know, why not? Let's do an unboxing. If you guys like the idea, let me know. I would not do them on a regular basis. I would do them on my birthday, Christmas, and Mother's Day. Those are usually the 3 times a year. So if you like the idea, if you like, you know, seeing what I get from my birthday money, or Christmas, or Mother's Day, you know, then just let me know, and I, you know, can make sure to do that for you. So anyway, I already opened the box, but I have not looked inside. I want first impression. So as I said before, it is Amazon. Has the little smiley face there, and of course, you know, prime tape there. Okay, so opening the box, and we will take out all of the air pillows that they have. Okay, to start out with, there is only one thing in here that, and the reason that I got it was mainly for cross stitch, but that is really the only thing cross stitch related in the box, because I have so much cross stitch stuff to do, kits and everything else, that I decided to wait on really anything cross stitch for a while. But what I'm going to show you in a little bit is something that I found on another channel, and I thought it would work perfect for cross stitch. Okay, the first thing at the top is for my birds. It is a set of 2 Living World Cuddle Bones. So got those for George and Louie. Also, right up here at the top is KT Natural Millet Spray. There are 12 millet sprays in here. These are fun treats for the birds. The birds really, really love these. I might show them actually eating some of these sometime, if you guys are interested in that. These are a great training tool as well for birds. They just love these, and they will come right to them. So, got 12 of those. The next thing that I got that is in the wrap is Red Heart Super Saver, and it is oatmeal. As most of you remember me saying that my yarn was depleted, so I got me several yarns that I thought would help me get a little heads up so I can make some bigger projects. And then we have another one. This is no, this isn't. This is Red Heart Soft, and it is soft. Very nice. And this is just white. So Red Heart Soft, and then the color white. So I got that. And I actually don't think I've ever used the Red Heart White. So I'm anxious to try that. Okay, now this is what I am thinking about doing with the cross stitch. It is a LED rechargeable hug light. And what I am going to do is I'm going to do an unboxing of this by itself. I'm going to do a video of this product by itself and do a demonstration as well. It says features are 4 powerful energy saving LEDs, 3 brightness levels at a press of a button, spotlight only, floodlight only, spotlight and floodlight, flexible neck and adjustable padded clamp. Recharge time 5 hours approximate. Charge lasts for 6 to 10 hours depending on brightness setting. Green light indicates battery is fully charged. Charge when light becomes dim to help prolong battery life. So, I'm not going to open it right now, but I will do an unboxing, I will open it, and I will also do a demonstration in that video as well. Very excited about this. And I found this on the Secret Yarnery crochet channel. She has one that she uses for crochet, and I thought that would work perfect for cross stitch. And then there's this little box, and I am not quite sure what it is. Okay. This is a little tripod. I might do another video on this as well. It's for my iPhone. I thought I would start maybe doing some videos with my iPhone. I do a lot of outdoor videos, and I thought instead of taking my camera that I record on out with me, that I would start doing the, using my iPhone to do that, to take the videos outside. And this is, I need to read about how it works. But anyway, this is a tripod. It doesn't look like much right here, but I need to read on it. And yeah, so I think I will read on it. I will do a review on it, show how it works. But anyway, this will hold up my iPhone. And then I can take some video and stuff outside and do more videoing with my cell phone. So that's that. So this will be another unboxing, so to speak, when I figure it out and all of that. And then I will do like a demonstration of that as well. So that was an iPhone tripod. Okay, next thing for my bird is from JW. And it is an Insight Clean Cup. Now what I got this for is anyone that has had birds or knows about birds is when they eat, they are really, really messy. They get seeds on the floor. It's a daily cleanup that you have to do, but hey, love my birds, so I don't mind whatsoever. But I thought that this might help keep the seeds inside the hulls that fall to the ground, might keep them in better instead of them coming out onto the ground. So this is where their heads would go in. They would take the seed. They can sit right here on the perch. It screws in to the bird cage. So any of you that do have birds or small birds, you might be interested in this. if there is interest in this, I can show what it looks like on my bird cage. Try to get a picture of my birds using it. But yeah, I got one of these to try to alleviate some of the mess that the birds do cause. So I got one of those. And the last thing I got is a bird toy. Whenever I do an Amazon haul, I do buy my birds a toy. Because birds need to be very creative. They need to keep their minds working. And when they get bored of their toys, they will stop playing with them. So I have seen which toys they are not playing with in their cage. So I will take those down and I will replace this one with the ones that they aren't playing with. So I got this one. I thought it was neat. It is a JW. It's an Activitoy, and it's a punching bag. So just pretty much they can go up with their beaks, hit it. There is a mirror. They can see themselves. And I just thought that that would be something that would keep them entertained. All birds love to be entertained. They like to keep from being bored. And I thought that would work. And it screws through the cage rungs. So, yeah, no problem. So I got one of those as well. And the last three things, oh, I did get one more thing here that is not crochet related. This is for my scrapbooking. I love this glue. It is Tombow Mono Aqua Liquid Glue. And this is what I have been using to do my scrapbook layouts, to put the pictures on. And it works tremendously. I cannot say enough about this. I would highly recommend this. It is very, very good. It will hold your pages. I have used them for embellishments. I put buttons on some of my layouts, and this will hold the buttons on as well. Very, very good product, and it lasts a long time. I still have very little left, but all of the layouts that I have done since, oh gosh, I don't know when I start, January? And I do 3 layouts, so January be 3, 6, 9, 12. I probably got like 16, 17 layouts or so, and I've still got glue left, but I was running out and needed some. So a little goes a long way. Very good product. And the last 3 are yarn related. I'm so happy to have my yarn, so I can start getting some stuff accomplished that I want to get accomplished. Oh, that ball band came right off of that one. See if I can get it back on. Hopefully I can get it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, this is another Red Heart Soft. And this is grape. And this is a very pretty grape. It is. It's very close to grape color. I don't know if you can tell that. It is purple. It is kind of the color of the purple grapes. A very pretty color. Very soft as well. I'm very interested, like I said with the white, I'm very interested to use these. They're very soft, and I have never used the Red Heart Soft. So, very excited to use those. And then I got, see if this one can get out of there without losing the band, another Red Heart Super Saver. And this one is bright yellow. So I use yellow quite a bit. So I wanted to get some yellow. So there's another color. And the last thing in my box is Red Heart Super Saver. And this is the warm brown. And this is a very, very pretty brown. I love the color. I would call it like a Chihuahua brown. Anybody that has Chihuahuas, it's kind of that color of a brown. It's really a pretty brown. So anyway, that is my haul for my birthday, my Amazon haul. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, I've got 5 yarns. Really excited to use those. I got my Tombow glue for my scrapbooking. I got my tripod for my iPhone that I will be figuring out and then doing a demonstration and review for you guys. And this one I am so excited about. It's the Illumilite rechargeable hug light. And this one I will definitely do a unboxing, a review, and demonstration on this for you guys so you can see exactly how it works. When I seen it, the first thing that came to my mind was cross stitch. So I'm really anxious to try it for that purpose. And then the other things that I got are the millet spray. Very good. The bird feeder. This is supposed to be no mess. The bird toy, which my birds will love. And the cuddle bones for their beaks. So anyway, that is all that I have for this time. Thank everybody so much for watching. If you like these unboxings like this, please let me know. And like I said, I will do at least 3 a year. If I happen to do some out of the ordinary unboxing, then that might happen. But that is kind of unlikely, but it could possibly. So at least 3 a year. If you like what you've seen, please let me know, and I can, add that to my videos. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, for taking the time to watch. I do appreciate it. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Have a great day.